Welcome to Santa Teresa Gallura Harbour. Due to its favourable geographic position in the extreme north of Sardinia, with its characteristic funnel shape, the Santa Teresa Gallura Harbour and its strategic and secure port close to the Straits of Bonifacio and the Mediterranean. It is surrounded by beautiful islands and beaches famous all around the world for the transparency of its waters. The Santa Teresa Gallura Harbour offers a high quality of service with the utmost professionalism to yachtsmen. Quality and courtesy are the mission statements for the port and the people who work there. Constant care and attention to environmental protection is evident by the presence of golf cars, electric bikes, recycle bins and bilge sewage collection. The port has obtained numerous certifications in international recognition for the Foundation for Environmental Education, the Blue Flag Award since 1987, and the Clean Sea of Environmental Monitoring Programme, reflecting the importance of conservation. An ideal stopover for sailing. The harbour consists of a long fixed dock which extends along the entire perimeter for 1.5 kilometres, from which there are 11 floating pontoons. It accommodates about 700 berths for boats up to 35 metres long. Each mooring slot is provided with coupling for the supply of water and electricity, with bow fast for fixed mooring. The harbour is divided into two areas. The west side, with depths of around 5 metres, houses only sailboats. The inner zone and the east has a shallower depth and accommodates only motorboats. Open all year, the 24-hour coverage to Channel 12 ensures reception and assistance at the dock for boats arriving and departing, with connection for the port front office. Entry and exit from the port and mooring and unmooring of each boat is assisted by qualified personnel on board a dinghy. The Santa Teresa Harbour has a weather station updated in real time as well as Wi-Fi. The property also has toilets and showers. Within a few miles of sailing north, you can admire the southern coast of Corsica and the islands of Lavazzi and Cavallo. Towards the northeast, you will find the National Marine Park of La Maddalena with its crystalline waters and its beautiful islands of Budelli, Spiagge, Santa Maria and Rizzoli. The centre of Santa Teresa Gallura is about 500 metres away, and you can reach it using electric bikes available in the harbour or take a tour of the city centre on board a little tourist train. The stretch of coast in the borough of Santa Teresa Gallura has spectacular beaches and areas of unspoiled natural beauty. The Capo Testa Peninsula, with its beaches to the west and the east, the lighthouse, its cliffs, the bay of Cala Spinosa and the famous Cala Grande, known as Valley of the Moon. Nearby you will find Santa Riparta Bay, Marmorata, Valle d'Erica and Cala Balcaccia Beach. Just a short distance from the town centre of Santa Teresa Gallura, you can admire Rena Bianca Beach, which means in local dialect, white sand. Musical events such as Musica sulle Bocche are held during summer months. Port evolved from natural fjords used since the Roman times. Boats full of fine granite, excavated from the famous quarries of Capo Testa, used to leave from here. After admiring the natural beauty of the surrounding coastline and having received a pleasant and professional assistance from our staff, you can truly relax and enjoy your break. Guests can take advantage of the wellness centre next to the port, which offers massages, sauna, outdoor pool and a beautician. Or let yourself be enticed by the various facilities within the port: bars, restaurant, bakeries and all types of shops. For boat maintenance, the port is equipped with a shipyard, which has travel lifts capable of lifting up to 100 tons. The site offers hauling, launching, washing, sanding, polishing and anti-fouling service, and the possibility to keep the boat inland during the winter months. Next to the site, there is a 24-hour petrol station. Our staff will take care of your every needs, offering the best service to make your stay an unforgettable experience. We hope to give you our welcome in person. Santa Teresa Gallura Harbour, a sea of hospitality.